Take off your bag.
Take off your bag.
What's good there again? Welcome back to another episode, and I'm pretty sure you guys are excited to see the boys again. I feel awesome. I'm pretty excited to announce that we are on our way to Bella Vista. It's the location where we normally do our videos, like you all know. And we have Nashville and Bronwyn in the video. Am I saying your name right? Oh wait, awesome. So they came to my house to ask for some stickers. I'm just gonna sort them out with some stickers now. They're also subscribers, obviously, to the channel. What is your favorite car, bro? Wagon's Nissan. It's a SR20 DET. It's a turbocharged Nissan. It's your favorite car? Another one is just Honda Vtec. Oh wait. So the guys are into Honda, and that is exactly where we're heading today. We're meeting up with Nashville. Nashville previously owned a Toyota. It was stounced, it was low to the ground, and this time is something totally different. It's a B20 VTEC. I'm pretty excited to be able to do this film and review for you guys, because I know some Honda man is very desperate looking for content, and here we go. We're going to assure that we bring the heat, and it's going to be an amazing time. And stay tuned, don't go anywhere. It's Honda Vtec VTEC. Let's go. Boom. Alright guys, so we came to the location, and I have to say, this is looking incredible. The scene is set. We're just waiting for the boys to arrive, so I'm pretty excited. I'm pretty stoked to do my videos here now, because it's an absolutely beautiful location. And we also have a company with the boys. Yo, what's up? You guys good? So yeah guys, I'm pretty excited. Comment down below if you are excited, and comment down below where you're watching from. I would love to see the comments, and yeah, we're gonna have an epic time. Let's go. What's good, fam? Welcome back. So I'm here with Nashville. Bra, welcome to the channel. It's not your first time here, eh?
Oh yeah.
Nashville's been on the channel before. For those who doesn't know, Nashville had a Toyota before, and we did an awesome feature on that car. Eh? That rolling shot cinematics was absolutely amazing. We even spoke about that just now before we came back. But nonetheless, welcome to the channel, Brian. Thank you for your time yet again to be on the channel. And this time it's something different, bro. It's something totally different. It's not a Toyota anymore. It's a Honda B20, I believe.
B20 VTEC.
B20 VTEC. Yeah. I don't think he needs any introduction. Nashville sister, he's born in Ceres, staying in Bella Vista. And Nashville, the first question is why did you change? I asked your brother the same question, bro. He came from Toyota, right? And he's now a Honda guy, and you came from Toyota, you're a Honda guy now. Why did you change the cars?
David was my childhood dream car, man.
Same like your brother, yeah?
Yeah. We both have Honda in our blood, like he also said on this video. I was in love with Honda since primary school, yeah. And always VTEC, not
any others.
B series, always B series, yeah. So it's a childhood dream car, man.
Awesome.
Toyota was, I'm a toy fan. Can't take that away. I grew up in. My father had Toyotas. Every one of us have toys, but childhood dream car.
And that's the same with me as well. Most of my family are in Toyotas, and my childhood was revolving around Toyota that time. But as things progress and you get your own liking and stuff, obviously finances is some things you can afford by the time you are older, and then you decide let me do that. So the love is still there for Toyota. Toyota will always be there, but at the moment it's take up your bag.
Take off your bag.
I saw the post. Tell us a bit more about the car. When did you buy it? For how long you've been having the car now?
Yeah, I've been owning the car since last year, July.
Sure, it's a long time ago,
but I drove the car 3 times after I purchased it, and I hit bearing, maybe.
Sure, bro.
Bearing knock for only driving your new car for 3 days.
Was it?
It was a B16i by that time. So I went the B20 VTEC route. As you saw the sticker, SC Racing. Shout out to SC Racing for building the car for me.
Awesome stuff.
I still must do tuning, but the car is stock. It's a stock B20 VTEC.
Oh wait, awesome stuff. And also to Ceres Stance Car Wash.
Shout out to Ceres Stand Wash. Oh yes, the sticker now.
But I'm gonna put the number down below. Shout out to you guys
for sponsoring.
They sponsor the wash of the car, and I'll put the number down below. If you're on the Ceres area, Bella Vista particularly, make sure you give them a visit. They're doing awesome work there. Make sure you guys support them. So we'll take the car out for a drive, and we won't really drive fast in this video because this car still need to be tuned. But for now it's only a stance feature, you can call it like that. But we're coming for part 2, so make sure you guys are subscribed so that you don't miss the videos that we are posting. And comment down below what you guys think of the car. And Nashville, brah, shots to you. Thank you for your time and your patience with us. And congrats on a new car. I hope you enjoy it. And the man said he can't wait to take fucking
bars
thing, bro. But nonetheless, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video further. Make sure you comment down below, like, subscribe, and let's go. Boom. Mr. D on the camera. So we're doing cinematics the different way now. We're on a convertible BMW. Thank you to Mr. Clyder for taking us for a spin. And I hope you guys, I just want to show you, I just want to steal the camera here with Mr. D.
Alright.
Thanks, brother. Guys, look at the beautiful views. It's views on views. We're just here to create content. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you are subscribed. And let's go. Guys, remember Clyde? Clyde was on the channel before with this beautiful Honda. And hey, what maak jullie hier zo? Today's video, the boys are chilling it out there. I'm gonna go home now. I just want to say thank you to Nashville and Clyde them for coming out. And also to Clint, the man's name I pronounced wrong the whole time in the video. I got confused, man, but Clint, bruh, thank you so much for joining us. And I'm sure Clint will bring us some fire photos. And yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more, and let's go. Boom.
Yeah. Okay. I pull up you deep on my niggas, consider it's pivotal. Trap through the app, make her clap it, don't cap it, she tapping it fast. I think that you know they be catching it. Standing 6 feet up, casting a shadow of niggas that talk like they bad, they know that we got it, they talk.